So we've got latest generation Defender, brand new model D350 hardtop in with us for our ultimate safety alert camera system upgrade. This customer has been back to us since 2001, I think, for our ultimate speed camera upgrade in various other Defenders. So he's asked us to install it again into this particular one. So I'll just quickly go over what we've done in here again. So let's turn the ignition on. So we've got Target Blu Eye 2, which is just here. So it's just nicely sort of positioned, so while driving obviously you've got access to that. This is the one that detects emergency vehicles. It's got basically 3 signal detection here. As you can see, they're fluctuating because there's cars in certain distance away. So for basically emergency services, but obviously unmarked police cars, obviously detection to tell you if they're in the area from the front or the rear. So that's that product. It's one of our, probably one of our best selling products, as well as the GENEVO. Obviously you can see now that it's now detected there. So we've got a main road which is just literally just over there, down there. So it's obviously detected a vehicle which is just down the road, which is there. So the next product we've also got is our GENEVO Pro 2M. This is a radar and GPS based system. This one now detects for all the new AI cameras. So we also have the locations on our database on this one, but also it will detect via radar because the new systems now that are coming through are all radar based. So this has got lots of different features on here through the actual control panel. This is obviously removable as well if you leave the car. And then this is also linked to the laser track flare, which we've just got the little control panel, which we've just got down there, but it's actually linked through the actual GENEVO. So any alerts or settings or anything can be activated and done through the control panel here. So if you're interested in the ultimate safety camera alert systems, basically we can offer to whatever requirement that you need. We can install in any vehicle, so it's not a problem. But if you'd like further information, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.